Baking soda, the humble kitchen essential that can do way more than you think. But when you mix it with natural oils, it becomes a total game changer. In today's video, I'll show you 12 amazing baking soda and oil combinations that'll transform your beauty routine, your home, and even your health in the best ways possible. From skincare to cleaning to self-care, these natural DIYs are simple, safe, and super effective. First off, let's look at skincare and beauty. 1. Let's start with the classic, baking soda and coconut oil exfoliant that removes dead skin and unclogs pores. To make a baking soda and coconut oil exfoliating scrub, simply mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a small bowl until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Gently massage the mixture onto your face or body in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes, avoiding the delicate eye area. The baking soda acts as a mild exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, while the coconut oil deeply moisturizes and soothes the skin. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. For best results, use this scrub once or twice a week. It'll leave your skin feeling soft, refreshed, and naturally radiant. 2. Baking soda and olive oil for a deep moisturizing hand and foot scrub. It's like an instant home spa treatment. To create this deep moisturizing hand and foot scrub, combine 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a small bowl and stir until it forms a smooth, gritty paste. Apply the mixture to your hands or feet, gently massaging in circular motions for about 2 to 3 minutes to exfoliate dry, rough skin and boost circulation. The baking soda helps slough off dead skin cells, while the olive oil penetrates deeply to hydrate and soften calloused areas. After scrubbing, rinse with warm water and pat dry. For an extra moisture boost, follow up with a bit of plain olive oil or your favorite hand cream. Use this treatment once or twice a week to keep your hands and feet silky smooth and nourished. 3. A baking soda and castor oil for a hair and scalp detox that removes buildup, boosts circulation, and helps hair grow healthier. To make a baking soda and castor oil hair and scalp detox, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of castor oil until you get a smooth, slightly thick consistency. Apply the mixture directly to your scalp using your fingertips, gently massaging for about 3 to 5 minutes to stimulate blood flow and loosen any buildup or residue. The baking soda helps cleanse away excess oil, product buildup, and impurities, while the castor oil nourishes the scalp, strengthens hair roots, and promotes healthy growth. Leave the mixture on for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with warm water and follow up with your regular shampoo and conditioner. Use this treatment once a week for a clean, refreshed scalp and shinier, healthier-looking hair. 4. Baking soda and tea tree oil for a natural deodorant that neutralizes odor and fights bacteria, keeping you fresh all day. To make this natural deodorant, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and add 3 to 4 drops of tea tree essential oil. Stir until you get a smooth, creamy texture. Apply a small amount to clean underarms using your fingertips or a small spatula and let it absorb before dressing. The baking soda neutralizes odor-causing bacteria. The coconut oil moisturizes and protects the skin, and the tea tree oil provides natural antibacterial and antifungal benefits that keep you feeling fresh all day. Store the mixture in a small jar at room temperature or in the fridge if you live in a warm climate. Use daily as a safe, effective, and toxin-free alternative to conventional deodorants. 5. Baking soda and jojoba oil for acne spot treatment that balances skin oils while baking soda soothes irritation. To make this acne spot treatment, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of jojoba oil until you form a smooth, paste-like consistency. Gently dab the mixture directly onto pimples or acne-prone areas using clean fingertips or a cotton swab. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the baking soda to neutralize excess oil and bacteria, while the jojoba oil soothes inflammation and balances the skin's natural moisture levels. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week as a natural way to calm breakouts and promote clearer, healthier-looking skin without harsh chemicals. Now let's turn our attention to home and cleaning hacks. 6. Baking soda plus lemon essential oil as a kitchen degreaser. To make this effective degreaser, combine 2 tablespoons of baking soda with a few drops of lemon essential oil and just enough warm water to form a thick paste. Apply the mixture directly onto greasy surfaces like stovetops, countertops, or oven doors, and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to loosen grime and build up. Then, scrub gently with a sponge or brush in circular motions. The baking soda acts as a natural abrasive cleaner that cuts through grease, while the lemon essential oil adds antibacterial power and leaves a fresh, clean scent. Wipe the surface with a damp cloth to remove any residue, and enjoy a sparkling, citrus-scented kitchen. 7. Baking soda and olive oil as a wood furniture polish. It revives dull wood and cleans, conditions, and shines naturally. To make a natural wood furniture polish, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a small bowl. Stir well until it forms a smooth paste, then apply it to wooden furniture using a soft cloth. Gently rub the mixture in circular motions to lift dirt, remove dullness, and restore natural shine. The baking soda cleans without scratching, while the olive oil conditions and nourishes the wood. After polishing, buff the surface with a clean, dry cloth to reveal a beautiful, glossy finish. Use this method once a month to keep wooden surfaces looking rich and well-maintained. 8. Baking soda plus lavender oil. For a natural carpet refresher that removes odors and makes your home smell divine. To freshen carpets naturally, mix 1 cup of baking soda with 10 drops of lavender essential oil in a jar or container with a lid. Shake well to combine. Then sprinkle the mixture evenly over your carpet or rug. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to absorb odors and bacteria. Vacuum thoroughly to remove the powder and enjoy a clean, soothing lavender scent throughout your home. This simple DIY deodorizer is great for pet owners and can be used weekly to keep carpets smelling fresh. 9. Baking soda and peppermint oil for a simple and effective sink and drain cleaner that clears buildup, eliminates bad odors, and leaves your kitchen smelling minty fresh. Just pour half a cup of baking soda into the drain, followed by 5 to 6 drops of peppermint essential oil. Then slowly add 1 cup of hot water. The mixture will fizz and help break down grime, neutralize odors, and clear minor clogs. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, then rinse with more hot water. The baking soda deodorizes and scrubs, while the peppermint oil leaves your sink and kitchen smelling crisp and minty fresh. Use this method once a week to keep your drains clean and odor-free. 10. Baking soda and eucalyptus oil for a shower tile scrub that cuts through soap scum, disinfects, and makes your shower smell like a spa. To clean shower tiles naturally, mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil and just enough water to create a thick paste. Apply the paste to tiles or grout using a sponge or brush and scrub gently to remove soap scum, mildew, and buildup. The baking soda provides gentle abrasion while the eucalyptus oil disinfects and leaves a refreshing scent. Rinse with warm water and wipe dry for sparkling, fresh-smelling tiles. Use this cleaner every couple of weeks to maintain a spotless bathroom. Finally, look at self-care and awareness. 11. Baking soda plus almond oil for a soothing foot soak that softens skin, neutralizes odor, and relaxes sore feet. For a relaxing and soothing foot soak, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of almond oil to a basin of warm water. Stir until dissolved. Then soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. The baking soda softens rough skin and neutralizes odors, while the almond oil deeply moisturizes and nourishes tired feet. After soaking, gently scrub any dry spots with a pumice stone or soft brush, then pat dry. This simple soak is perfect after a long day and can be done once or twice a week for smooth, refreshed feet. 12. Baking soda and rose oil for a brightening face mask, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. To make this brightening face mask, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of water and 2 drops of rose essential oil until it forms a smooth paste. Apply evenly to clean skin, avoiding the eye area, and let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes. The baking soda gently exfoliates and brightens, while the rose oil soothes redness and adds a natural glow. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, pat dry, and follow up with a light moisturizer. Use this mask once a week to maintain soft, radiant, and balanced skin. So, there you have it. 12 incredible ways to mix baking soda with oils for beauty, cleaning, and self-care. All natural, super easy, and budget-friendly. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if you love DIY natural hacks like this, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell for more weekly tips. And I'm sure you're going to like this video on 20 life-changing health benefits of baking soda and castor oil revealed.